Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
It may look like a hole in your painting. A good alternative to using true black paint is to create a color that's near black by mixing complementary colors, opposites on the color wheel, together, like red and green, violet and yellow, or blue and orange.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Using the basic acrylic paint palette colors, ultramarine blue and burnt umber can make a very dark hue. Prussian blue, which is often a mix of phthalo blue and black, with burnt umber. If you don't have a burnt umber, you could use a burnt sienna or raw umber.
Let's help you make your mark.
The midnight blue color code is number 191970. How do you make midnight blue? Simply mix a small amount of black paint into a blue base. There's no exact ratio for how much black paint to add, just keep mixing until you reach midnight blue's deep hue.
Let's help you make your mark.
Carbon black is good for glazing because its high tint strength means that an even, dark tone can be produced in highly diluted mixes. Mars black, which has both medium tint strength and medium sheen, neither matte nor gloss, is a good all-round black suitable for most applications.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.